How to use Clio legal case management properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most law firms assume using Clio for case management is intuitive, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to missed deadlines, lost documents, or client dissatisfaction. The first mistake is poor case setup. Clio allows for detailed client and matter profiles. Beginners who skip entering accurate case information risk disorganization and delays. Another common error is neglecting task and deadline tracking. Clio's calendar and task features help manage court dates, filings, and meetings. Beginners who ignore these tools may miss critical deadlines and jeopardize cases. Many users also fail to organize documents efficiently. Clio supports secure document storage and sharing. Beginners who save files haphazardly may struggle to locate important contracts, pleadings, or evidence. Overlooking communication tracking is another pitfall. Email, phone calls, and client updates can be logged in Clio. Beginners who don't use this feature risk miscommunication or incomplete client records. Finally, some firms ignore reporting and billing features. Clio provides automated time tracking and invoicing. Beginners who neglect these may lose revenue or fail to track firm performance accurately. To use Clio properly, set up cases accurately, track tasks and deadlines, organize documents, lock communications, and utilize reporting features. Avoid these mistakes, and your firm will operate efficiently while keeping clients satisfied.